Ever wondered what makes ancient beauty rituals so powerful? There's one ingredient that has stood the test of time: frankincense oil. Sourced from the resin of the boswellia tree, frankincense oil has been prized for thousands of years, from Egyptian queens to modern skincare lovers. This powerful essential oil is packed with anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, and skin-healing properties. It reduces wrinkles and fine lines, soothes irritation and redness, helps fade scars and dark spots, boosts skin elasticity. Frankincense oil stimulates collagen, keeping your skin firm, hydrated, and youthful. Adding just a few drops to your routine can transform your skin, naturally. Mix with your moisturizer. Add a few drops to face oil or use it in DIY face mask. Try this simple DIY serum. Mix jojoba oil and frankincense oil for deep hydration and a healthy glow. Give your skin the natural love it deserves. Follow for more skincare secrets.